Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share one of my all-time favorite recipes with you. High-protein bagels that are absolutely delicious. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need our ingredients. Grab 3 cups of flour. You can use any type of flour you like, but just keep an eye on the texture. Add that 3rd cup gradually to get it just right. Next, we're adding 1 egg. This will help bind everything together. Then, in goes 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Yes, you heard that right. This is what makes our bagels high in protein and super creamy. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Now, let's mix everything together. I like to get my hands in there to really bring it all together into a perfect dough. Once it's all combined, we'll let it rest for about 30 minutes. While our dough is resting, let me show you what makes these bagels so special: leeks. Chop them up into small pieces and fry them in a little olive oil with salt and black pepper. Just look at that beautiful color. Now let's check on our dough. It's time to add 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and those delicious leeks we just cooked. Mix it all in and let it rest again for another 15 minutes. Now, we need to flour our work surface because this dough is a bit sticky. Add some more flour. And let's divide the dough into 4 pieces. If you want smaller bagels, feel free to cut them into more pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and make a hole in the center. Try to give them a nice shape. Let them rest for another 15 minutes. While we wait, let's prepare our toppings. I'm using sesame seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. We'll also need an egg yolk to give our bagels that beautiful golden color. Mix it all together. All right, let's check on our dough again. Just look at this dough. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Let's grease the surface of our dough. This little step is key. It helps achieve that gorgeous golden color we all love. Now, it's time to get creative. Add your favorite toppings. Everything from sesame seeds to poppy seeds. The more, the merrier. Now, let's pop these beauties into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just wait until you smell that amazing aroma wafting through your kitchen. And voila! Here they are. Perfectly baked bagels that are soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Just look at that texture. These bagels are not just delicious, they're also high in protein. And guess what? You can freeze them for later. Just pop them in the toaster when you're ready to enjoy. You won't be able to resist. Don't forget to subscribe to catch my next recipe. I love you all and happy baking.